Hey guys, Ricardo with Fasttech.com. The 2016 to 2020 2.0 Turbo Camaro hold a good amount of potential to be a fun ride. There's a lot of simple modifications that can be done to free up some air restrictions, and we all know with a turbo car, any air restriction we can avoid is sure to gain us some power. One of the first modifications on our list would be a cold air intake. This is sure to free up some air restrictions and give us a nice boost in power. K&N has a kit that will replace the factory air box and air intake tube with a large cone-shaped filter that will provide more CFM when compared to the factory box. With more air, the more power we can make. Moving over to the installation of this kit, we are going to remove the restrictive factory air box. This can be done by loosening the clamp holding the intake in place so we can pull the elbow loose. Then disconnect the mass airflow sensor and remove the harness from the intake elbow. Now with the factory intake disconnected, we can simply pull the whole unit and remove it from the engine bay. When removing the factory airbox, ensure that both rubber grommets are still in place. If one was removed with the airbox, simply remove it and reinstall in the correct location in the engine bay. Now we can assemble the K&N heat shield. We will have to install the filter adapter to the heat shield along with the provided studs to secure the shield in place. Then we can install the rubber gasket onto the shield. This gasket is a universal gasket that K&N uses for their intake systems, so some trimming may be necessary just to get it to the correct length we need. We will now install the filter to the filter adapter on the shield. Moving over to the new intake tube, we are going to swap the mass airflow sensor, remove the sensor from the factory intake, and then install the sensor to the K&N tube using the provided gasket. Then secure the adapter to the tube with the provided hardware, making sure the sensor is pointed in the correct direction. With the tube and shield ready, we can install it to our car. Install the shield first, making sure the mounting studs are in the correct location. Now we can install the provided coupler to the turbo inlet and the filter adapter with the provided clamps. Before we install the K&N tube, we will install the air diffuser, making sure the radius side is to the inside of the tube. Then we can install the assembly to the hose couplers and tighten down the clamps. Now reconnect the mass airflow sensor and complete the install. That's it, guys. We've eliminated the restrictive factory air box and added a bit more power to our 2.0. It's now time to hear that turbo spool a bit more. Thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.